Hi, my name is Andy and I'm a product trainer with PerfectForms. We have put together a series of video tutorials to help you get started with designing your forms. During the videos we will use a selection of on-screen tools to identify key points. Instructions will be shown in blue, close to the area they refer to. Tips and general comments in green, and often near the bottom of the screen. Highlighted areas will be shown in orange with the use of highlight arrows. The tutorials are designed to be interactive. You can follow the demonstrations, pausing the video whenever you want to try it out for yourself. Use the navigation bar at the foot of the screen to pause, restart, rewind, or fast forward the video. This tutorial explains how a basic user interacts with the PerfectForms dashboard to view forms, reports, and notifications, and how to manage their user settings. When a basic user signs into PerfectForms, they are able to create new form instances, search for existing form instances, and can see notifications of form instances requiring their attention. They may also view reports and manage their personal settings. The forms and reports are made available to each individual user depending upon the access permissions set by the form and report designers. Let's take a look at the application and see what can be done. As a basic user, you do not have the necessary rights to design forms or reports, but other users in your organization will be able to design forms and reports for yourself and other people to use. The form itself is a template from which individual form instances may be created. Each individual instance will follow the rules that have been specified by the form designer. These rules will do many things, including the routing of individual instances around your organization for the purposes of approving requests and collecting data. The PerfectForms dashboard is a central portal through which you can create new requests and view existing requests and reports. The dashboard is in 4 sections. Each section can be accessed via the tabs at the top. From the Forms dashboard, you may view all instances that you have been involved with in the left-hand panel. In the central panel, you can create new instances of the most recent forms you have used, and in the right-hand panel, you can see a summary of the instances you have been involved with. From the left-hand View Forms panel, click on a form and see the individual instances. Remember that you will only see the instances that you have been involved with unless you have been granted rights to view all instances of the form. If you have the necessary permissions, you can create a new instance of the form. You can use the search options to locate specific forms, or select an instance from the list and view more details or view the instance. You can also expand the tree in the left-hand panel to select specific instances. The data history for the form instance can be viewed, but only if you have been granted the necessary permissions by the form designer. From any screen, you can return to the dashboard by clicking on the icon in the top bar. Reports, unlike forms, do not have instances. From the Reports dashboard, you can view any reports that you have been granted access rights for. The Notifications dashboard shows you form instances that require your attention. There are color codes to identify the level of attention, and each column in the table can be sorted by clicking in the header. Use the wildcard search option to locate specific instances using the title of the notification. Select a notification from the list to see more information and to be able to view the form instance. Once an instance has been opened and the necessary action taken, the notification will normally be removed from the list. The table only shows notifications with a level of attention. If you want to see notifications where no level of attention has been set, you can do this from the left-hand panel. The Settings dashboard allows you to change your personal details. The dashboard area sizes can be modified by using the grab handles on the screen. That concludes the basic user dashboard tutorial.